Hi guys, today we're unboxing a USB condenser microphone. So this particular one is from Tonor. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So a couple of things worth mentioning about this. It's compatible with Macs and PCs. It's not compatible with mobile phones, iPads or an Xbox. So I'll be testing it out on a PC and a PlayStation 4 because their advert on Amazon actually shows a picture of a PlayStation 4. It doesn't mention anything if it's compatible with it, but let's try it out and see how we get on. Let's begin with having a brief look around the packaging. It comes in a medium-sized box highlighting there's a 2-year warranty with this. Coming around this side, you can see the company website and contact information. Coming around this way, you've got specification and it highlights polar pattern, cardioid. Now that's ideal for microphones because the way it works is the microphone will have a direction and when it's pointing to you, it won't pick up sounds around it. It'll be more on yourself. Coming down there, then you've got sample rate, so it's 44.1 kilohertz. Frequency response 100 hertz to 16 kilohertz. Sensitivity is minus 38 decibels to plus 3 decibels. Output impedance is 680 ohms. Flipping around here, you've got some branding. This side we've got some logos regarding quality control and nothing on the back. So let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop me a message, let me know what you think. If you don't like it, make it count by hitting thumbs down twice. Okay, so I've laid out all the items you get in the packaging, so let me quickly go through them one by one. You get a card saying service card, we hear you, and company details, support details there, and some information at the back. Next we have an instruction manual, and this is multi-language showing details how to set this up. Next we have a pop filter, and this is all plasticky finish all the way round, and if I try twisting it, it is pretty strong. Material in the middle and a screw point just over here. And finally we have the condenser mic. So in terms of build of this, we've got a plasticky frame here holding the condenser mic, and we've got some legs here which are metal. There's rubber little pads on there just to keep it stable on a surface. They can be pulled off, and just to show that's how it looks on a surface. And the mic can come out, so if I pull it out from there, can just feed the rest of the cable through if I wanted to. Now in terms of cable length on this, we've got 135 centimeters and a USB connection point there. Looking at the condenser mic, that's all strong plasticky finish on there. We've got some foam on there, so if I take that off and that reveals the mic location. Got branding there, and coming around there's nothing else on there, no buttons, no switches or anything like that. That's all there is. Now if I put that back into position, and you have a flexible part here, and this is where the pop filter goes on, so that can just be screwed straight on. And there we have it. That's what it looks like, and that's how you'd have it. So you could have it with the pop filter or take the pop filter away and just use the foam on there just to cover that. Now in terms of dimensions of the actual microphone itself, it's, if I take the foam off, it's 15 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters, and the depth is 3.3 centimeters. Coming in close on the stand, you can see some rubber there, so some rubber band styles rubber, and there's two, one over here, one over there, and another two just underneath, and that just holds the mic steady in position, as you can see. Let's begin by testing out this microphone. So I have my laptop here, it's got a USB connection point. So one of the features about this microphone is completely driverless. So if I plug it in, you shouldn't have to put any additional drivers on there. So let me push that in into a USB connection point. And there you go, nothing requesting to install or anything like that. Okay, so now the microphone's set up. If I go to control panel and then hardware and sound, and then we go to manage audio devices, and you can see here recording, and this is where you can just check the levels on the microphone. So you can see it just there, Tonor TC-777, and if I select that, you can see it already moving along. And if I come in slightly closer, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, so levels are quite good on this. It's reaching high levels. Now if I go to properties, listen, so you can listen the levels you're getting from the speaker on your computer, and looking in levels you can adjust the microphone level. So if it's too loud, what it's picking up, you can reduce that. So part of the basic operating system, no other app to it, and easy to maintain. Now we can test the microphone out. So I've actually got voice recorder running on my computer here, and I've overlaid the sound you're hearing from the microphone onto this video. So the quality you're hearing now is what you can achieve from your computer recording the audio. Now you can see there the lines stretching out quite a bit to the edges. That means the level's very good. I'm about 60 centimeters away. There's nothing muffling the microphone at all. So we'll put the foam cover on initially. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the test with the foam cover on. You can see again levels are pretty high on this, and if I pull this off, put the pop filter over the area. Test 1, 2, 3. This is a test with the pop filter. You can see for yourself levels are appearing high and sound quality is very good on this. So again, the distance I'm at is 60 centimeters, and if you're finding the levels are too high, you can go in and reduce them from control panel.
Let's test this out on a PlayStation now. So my PlayStation 4 is just over here, USB cable's there, and let me just plug it in, see what happens. And then you can see on the screen there's a microphone icon that's appeared, microphone switch to USB microphone, and there you go, plug and play on a PlayStation. It's as simple as that. So now if I go over to settings, devices, audio devices, you can see it here, input device. And if I come here, adjust microphone level, test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3, and if I come across, test 1, 2, 3, you see it going too high, it's saying, so I can adjust it how I want. Now, the microphone's just by me here, test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. So what's actually good is to work out the distance the microphone's going to be away from you, and then obviously adjust the settings accordingly to make the most of this. So I'll increase it slightly and we'll leave it just over here. I think that's a good point to have it at. I'm about 40 to 50 centimeters away from the mic. So if I now just go enter, and that's it, that's saved now.
Okay, so I've got Fortnite running now on the PlayStation and I'm playing on the Xbox, so the sound you're hearing at the moment is a sound quality the other person's going to hear when you're using the microphone on this. So pretty impressive for a budget microphone, and again plug and play, easy to set up with this. Just to note, it doesn't work on an Xbox. I've already tested that out, so it's a Mac, PC and a PlayStation 4. Now you can see the microphone at the moment, and I've not got the foam on there, so sound qualities you're hearing directly from the microphone. I'm about 70 centimeters away. Now if I put that on, this is what to expect with the foam on the microphone, so give you a good idea how it will sound with that. And if I now take that off, just put the pop filter near it, and now the sound you're hearing is me speaking, and the microphone hasn't got anything covering other than the pop filter in the way. So I hope it gives people a good idea of the sound quality to expect from this. As you've seen, very simple to set up and configure, no messing around really, literally plug and play and that's it, you're done and dusted with this. There you go, details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. Hang around for the end cards, I'll have some more microphones if anyone's thinking of looking at some other ones as well. Drop me a like if you like this video, and a comment, let me know what you thought of the microphone. If you haven't liked it, drop me a comment, let me know why you didn't like it. So there you go, thanks for viewing and see you in the next one.